Imagine you're on your super PC. You type in an image prompt, hit generate, and then wait. You wait, and wait, and wait. By the time the image finally appears, you've already made coffee, scrolled Instagram, and regretted your life choices. But what if I told you there's an AI model so fast and powerful that it became the world's top-rated image editor? And it's called Nano Banana, not the classic Photoshop anymore. So no need for regretting spending 3 hours learning the lasso tool just to crop out a cat. So why the weird name? Nano Banana started as a code name during testing. It first popped up on AI leaderboards under that nickname. The community went bananas over how good it was. And Google later confirmed Gemini 2.5 Flash image is aka Nano Banana. No one really knows why they picked banana of all things, but hey, it sticks. I guess Nano Broccoli just didn't have the same ring to it. And honestly, they were right to go bananas. The thing delivers 95% character consistency in less than 50 seconds, which is dope. And you don't need any skills at all. Just say the word, and AI does the heavy lifting for you. You can access it right now through the Gemini app, Google AI Studio, or other platforms that integrated it like CR, Leonardo AI, and more. I dropped all the links below. You don't need Elon Musk's wallet for this. Nano Banana has a free tier in Google Gemini app, and Google AI Studio gives you a generous amount of free credits to play with, so anyone can start experimenting. And then there are pro options. Famous partners like Leonardo AI, for example, and others have their own pricing if you're doing big projects. Let me show you why you need this dope Photoshop alternative and how to use it. In this video, I'm going to be using Google Gemini. Click the link in the description or head to google.gemini.com/app. Some of you might think Nano Banana is just an editor. They're wrong. Watch this. A cyberpunk street scene with flying cars and neon rain. See, it can generate images too. A warrior princess in golden armor standing on a crystal mountain at sunrise. This thing understands light and reflections better than my physics teacher. But creation is just the warm-up. The real magic happens when you start editing. Let's take our warrior princess and completely transform her world. Replace the golden armor with futuristic tech armor and add holographic elements. Transform the crystal mountain into an active volcano with lava flows. But here's the part that really matters. Nano Banana isn't just for fantasy art or fun prompts. Let's talk real-world projects. Need to remove a random photo bomber from your vacation picture? Done. Want to recolor a product photo of your online store in 5 different variations? Done. Testing how a room looks with different lighting or wall colors? Done in seconds. Virtual clothes try-on and different hairstyles? Done. Restoring old photos? Fresh as new. Want to imagine a real-life location with a certain angle? Google Maps Live AR is cooked now. Think of it like Minecraft but for images. Create anything you want. This isn't just a toy for artists. It's a workflow accelerator for anyone who needs visuals fast. Now I know what you're thinking. Everyone claims to be the fastest. So let's settle this once and for all. Some complex prompt on ChatGPT's DALL-E and Nano Banana for editing my image. A majestic phoenix rising from ancient ruins with golden hour lighting and volumetric fog. 3, 2, 1, go! ChatGPT is thinking and thinking. Nano Banana is done. Look at these results. It's dopely cinema grade. But before I make this sound like an OP magic tool, let's be real. There are limitations. Nano Banana won't give you 8K posters yet. It can sometimes miss super niche art styles and give you the image without any changing at all, which is a little bug I hope they fix. And of course, it's not replacing human creativity. It's a tool, not a magic wand. And I am not the only one hyped here. The community is already going crazy with this. Meme makers, digital artists, even small businesses are using Nano Banana for product design and creating ads. People are posting their edits everywhere, and the creativity is next level. So here's the bottom line. Use Nano Banana when you need lightning fast creative iteration, character consistent editing, professional results on impossible deadlines, both creation and editing in one, visualizing literally anything. Also, stick with alternatives when you need ultra high resolution output, aka highly specific artistic style, offline processing. We just witnessed the cheat code for professional image manipulation before GTA 6. What used to take hours or entire teams now happens in seconds with natural language. The links are below. Go create something dope. Then tell me what blew your mind the most. And if this video saved you from hours of research, smash that like button. It helps others discover tools that can change their entire workflow here on DALL-E Tech. The future of visual creation isn't coming. It's here, and it's called Nano Banana. And before we finish, let's end with Nano Banana generating a banana. See you in the next one.